Hello, my name is Latin Hugo. In this video, I'll show you how to make some homemade earplugs. They work twice as good. The earplugs you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. And I've been using them for a year and they work fine. The blue earplugs are the homemade ones, and the yellow ones are Home Depot's earplugs. Here you can see the inside of the earplugs, the homemade earplugs. Soft. Stuff in there is soft. Earplugs will last you, the homemade earplugs will last you a couple of weeks before you throw them away. Like sleep decline, wear mine to work. Here's the materials you'll need. You can use a latex, plastic, or vinyl gloves. Size small, then you cut the fingers off of it and fill it with Play-Doh, or sometimes I use dollar store Play-Doh. It's the same. You stick some in there. About half full, 3/4 full if you have large ear canals. And that's done. Then you're ready for your other ear. That's it, we're done. We have two so they are compared to Home Depot's earplugs. We have two new earplugs. These earplugs are easy to insert and remove. They won't pop out. You can use them while playing sports, while you sleep, or while working. They're safe, non-irritating. They stay soft for a couple weeks. And you have to make some new ones. There they are. I fill mine up so I can excuse me. I cut enough off the gloves so I can pull them out of my ears easily. A good earplug is going to be thin at one end, really thin at one end, so it fits deep into your ear canal. Looks good. Alright. Thank you very much.